Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage the timer settings in the Toggl Track application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just scroll down and look for the timer section. And as you can see, there are many functions that you can enable or disable. And you can also find these Pomodoro settings here, further dealing with like time intervals, auto start, and general settings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.